We're on bag number 4. I'm cleaning up my closet. My space is all fucked up. And honestly, at this point, my closet is a goddamn disaster. I am ashamed of what that closet looks like. I need to go through and I need to figure out what I want, what I don't want, what I need to give away. I'm actually like kind of stressed out. The queen of cleaning out your closet or tidying up your space in general is Marie Kondo.
When you touch an item that sparks joy, your body would respond this way. When you touch an item which does not spark joy, you would feel.
I hear you, Marie Kondo. Does it spark joy? Yeah, it sparks joy. It doesn't mean that I should keep it. So that's my problem with that method. So instead of the does it spark joy method, I think of it this way. If it was your last day on earth, would you want to be wearing this? Would you be wearing those pants? Would you want to die in that shirt? Would I want this to be the last outfit I've ever worn? You also need to know how to take care of those clothes. You don't want to look like a raggedy bitch.
You raggedy bitch.
I have not been taking care of my clothes. Part of what we're doing is we're going to take care of our clothing now. Enough is enough. Welcome to my closet. So many shoes. I don't even... What is this? What is this serving? What is the purpose here? I've had these since I've been 15 years old. T-shirts, so many t-shirts, different kinds of t-shirts, sweaters. Look, what? This isn't. Not only does this give you a chance to sit and evaluate what you have, but it also gives you a chance to sit and think about who am I in this moment, right? I think fashion is an interesting thing. I think clothing is an interesting thing because it's a great way to show like who you are and what you stand for and blah, blah, blah. People always say dress for the part. Like dress for the person you want to be. Dress for the person that you look up to. We're going to separate things into 3 piles. We're going to do keep, give away, and should be burned or upcycled. What we are doing here is we're playing fuck, marry, kill with our clothing, right? Do you want to stay with this clothing for the rest of your life? You want to marry them? Do you want to just fuck them? Do you want to keep them for now? You wore them once, you had a great time, now it's time to get rid of them. You want to just kill them. What do we have here? Kill. I don't even... Okay, this is good. We need a plain gray shirt, right? Does this spark joy?
あなたの理想の暮らしは何ですか？もしあなたがときめく人生を生きたいと思うなら。
I think it does. Good t-shirt. Good t-shirt. So many pants. So why does this have glittery armpits? Do you see that? See the glittery armpits? What is happening here? I'm not a minimalist. So here's where we're at. I've now separated my piles. This is my keep pile. I've got a big donation pile too, you know? So now we need to figure out the proper way to store these things, because for years I just put stuff in the closet however I feel. I'm like, I'm just gonna fold this, I'm gonna hang this. The older you get, the more you start to appreciate the clothing that you have, and the more you need to start taking care of it, which is what I'm trying to do here, right? Because I'm truly not sure what I'm supposed to hang or what I'm supposed to fold. Also, quality clothing is a huge deal, right? You might have to spend 50 bucks on a sweater versus 20 bucks on a sweater. I love this fucking sweater, so I want to take care of this sweater. Do I fold it? Do I hang it? What the fuck do I do? So now I'm gonna look up how I'm supposed to fucking store these things. You know who I'm going to? Martha fucking Stewart. So she says, items to always hang. Anything made from silk, chiffon, or flowy materials, like dresses or blouses. I realize now that Martha Stewart is probably going to give women advice, but I feel like I can make this work. So what I basically should be hanging are pants. Jeans don't necessarily have to be hung, but I'm going to hang them because why the fuck not? Pants and things with a collar that have a button at the top. and jackets. This kind of shirt, it's a knit. Should it be hung? I feel like if it's hung, it's gonna stretch out, like, because of the kind of fabric it is. It's not this kind of fabric, button the top, it's not gonna stretch out. This is a heavier fabric, and I feel like this kind of shirt, I'm not supposed to hang. You can either hang them in a wardrobe on sturdy wooden hangers, or fold them on a, okay. So if I wanted to hang this, what I would have to do is I'd have to get a thicker hanger. So it would be like this.
No wire hangers ever!
I don't have thick hangers. So that means for these kinds of shirts, we are going to fold them. All right, items to always be folded. Thick sweaters, they should be folded. If you put it on a hanger, there's gonna be hanger marks, or it can stretch out the collar. Shorts, yeah, fold the shorts, who gives a fuck. Okay, t-shirts. If you hang your t-shirts, sometimes, again, it can stretch out the neck. It's not worth it. Fuck that. Let's talk about what we did here. Look at this. Oh yeah. Look at this. All right, so we learned a lot. I'm not supposed to hang things like this. Not supposed to hang nice sweaters or cardigans. You're not supposed to hang those. I've also realized I have a severe crew neck problem. Do I need all of those crew necks? No, I don't. Honestly, I don't have as many t-shirts as I thought I had. Then I just kind of separated shit out. Like I said, these all have collars or some sort of button, straight up t-shirts, sweaters and cardigans, crew neck, and sweatshirts and hoodies. And then workout shit. And then everything over here, golf shit, your shirts that you can actually hang. Flannels, jackets, and then I hung my pants. Oh, and my hats. Okay. Fucking exhausted. That was a lot of work. Someone else can enjoy all this stuff.
The next morning.
All right. Good morning. That's a lot of shit. We're on bag number 4. So much shit. Alright, so I'm on my way to Goodwill to drop off 4 bags of shit. Honestly, it's not even shit. It's actually good stuff. Whoever finds a lot of that stuff, kind of lucky. I was feeling like so mentally fucked, I can't explain it. I also don't even know why. I already feel a hell of a lot better. And it's because everything has its own place. Everything's together. So there's actually a stat that proves when your space is clean, then your brain is organized, or at least a little bit more organized. All right, we're almost to Goodwill. I know. Thank you. You too. All right, that's it. And just like that, one step closer to heaven, baby. But I'm not ready to go yet, so I should put my seatbelt on. Always wear your seatbelt, kids. Thanks again for being here. All right, Godspeed. I gotta stop filming and driving.